विद्यानाम नरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्याभोगकारी यश सुखकारी विद्यागुरूणां गुरुः विद्यानाम नरस्य प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्याभोगकारी यशः सुखकारी विद्यागुरूणां गुरु विद्यानाम नरस्य रूपमधिकं. Knowledge is a true jewel and a true beauty of a person. A knowledgeable person is always appreciated for this. So it's a true adornment of a person. It's a true jewel of a person. It's a true beauty of a person. Then it says that with Prachanna Guptam Dhanam means what? The hidden treasure is the knowledge which cannot be stolen. Knowledge cannot be stolen. Vidya Bhogakari Yashaha Sukhakari means what? The knowledge gives you pleasure, fame, happiness. Vidya Gurunam Guru. Knowledge is the teacher of all the teachers. That is how it is highlighted here. So, always work hard to gain knowledge. It's always difficult to gain knowledge. So, you have to work very, very hard. And knowledge gives you fame, pleasure, happiness. It comes to the knowledge. This is how it is highlighted in this Subhashitani. Vidya nama narasya rupamadikam prachanna guptam dhanam. See, it cannot be stolen. It is so secretive. It is a hidden treasure. Prachanna guptam means it's a hidden treasure. Vidya bhogakari yashaha sukhakari. Vidya gurunam guru. Knowledge is the teacher of all the teachers. Again I repeat. Vidya nama narasya rupamadikam prachanna guptam dhanam. Vidya bhogakari yashaha. Vidya gurunam guru.